What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to offer you a very quick piece of advice. If you're a DJ or event professional and you're looking to get longevity out of your gear, I'm here in my office. I just unpacked my new speakers. I'm so excited about using them this coming weekend. But one thing, I wouldn't take them out of this warehouse or bring them to an event if they weren't protected. So the piece of advice for any DJ watching this, if you're looking to get longevity out of the gear that you're investing in to be part of your events, if you're looking to keep your gear looking fresh, keep it tight, and keep it working properly, you need to take the time to make sure that you secure the right stuff to protect your gear. And whether it's a bag or a road case like you might see back there, it's super important that if you want to extend a long life out of your investment, out of the gear that you're using, and you want your gear to always be working properly, you have to take care of it. And that means you have to protect it. I wouldn't take these speakers out to this coming weekend's events if I didn't have these bags or I didn't have a case for them to go in. And that is something that I learned a very long time ago. It blows my mind to see so many DJs literally using equipment that looks like it's been through war because they don't treat it properly. It doesn't last as long as it possibly can, and it really looks like shit when it's on site at an event because it wasn't protected in the van or in the truck or in the car going to or coming from an event. So if you're looking to extend the life out of your equipment, out of your gear, please take the time to invest in the proper tools so that your gear stays protected. Whether it be a bag, whether it be a road case, take the time to make sure that your equipment is secure and protected. Every time you use it, every time you take it out of your storage facility, your warehouse, your garage, your house, every time you bring it back to wherever you store your gear from an event. I promise if you take this tip and implement it into your business, it'll one, extend the life of your gear, and two, it'll keep your gear looking fresh. I've got gear here at SCE that I've used for just about 10 years, and it looks like the day I bought it. Why? Because it's been protected ever since I've taken it out of the box, and every time I've used it at an event or brought it somewhere, it's always had a cover, it's always had a case, and my stuff always works. It's lasted what seems like forever, and it looks just like brand new. It's because I've taken the steps to protect my gear each and every time I've used it. I hope you enjoy this tip. If you have a question, you have a comment, throw it in the comments field down below. My name is Jason. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thank you so much for watching.